3 questions you have to ask before you make payment for that land and landed property. Be sure to wait till the end, because every point I'm talking about today is very important and is very key. Welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you are joining me on my channel, I'm Tosin Omotosho. I'm a real estate and business lawyer, and on this page I share real estate and business law tips. So let's get started. Now, the first is, who is the owner? This is really important because you have to know and verify the identity of the owner of that land or landed property you're buying. Is it a person? Is it a group of persons? Is it a company? Is it an NGO? Is it a family? Is it a community? Whichever it is, this is the very first question that you have to ask. And it's not just about asking, you have to verify with proof. So there has to be proof of that ownership. That's the very first question you should ask. And that leads us to the second question, which would be, how did the owner get ownership? Very important. In law, we call it the root of title. Now, when the root is faulty, definitely the fruit too will be faulty. If the root of a tree has any issues at all, it will show on the fruits. The fruits won't be as juicy as they should be. It's the same thing with legal ownership, which we call title. If the person who wants to sell property to you has any legal issues with his or their ownership, they won't be able to give you good and legal title, which is ownership. Which is why you have to do your due diligence with the help of a lawyer to verify, okay, what's the type of ownership these people have? What proof do they have that they are the owners? If you need to gather local intel, you go ahead and gather local intel. Very important and very crucial. Now, the third is the exact location and identity of the land, because land and property cannot be carried, which is why the location is very important. You need to verify this with the help of a surveyor. I remember a case we once handled where our client had bought a property, but it was a swampy area in Lagos State. And again, he didn't get access to the land immediately after he made payment, and he kept making demands for allocation. Eventually, it was almost 10 years, a court case, and of course paying lawyers for him to get the land back. So you have to be sure that ask questions about allocation. All right, if it is not something that will be allocated to you, then you need to get a commitment about allocation, but preferably it should be something that you can take possession immediately you make payment, and then you have all your documents in place, because it is not just about having the necessary documents, is also about you being in possession. That is physical control of the property. Very important and very crucial. So these 3 questions are a very good place to start. If you're buying property in Nigeria, they are a very good place to start, and make sure that you do not get scammed or lose your money. If you have any questions about what I've discussed in this video, do make sure to type them in the comment section below. I would be glad to answer them all. And remember to hit the subscribe button for weekly videos like this. Until next week when I come your way with another video, have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.